One of the largest capital improvement projects in Arvada's infrastructure history made great leaps in 2020. It's the upgrade to the Ralston Creek sanitary sewer line.
In the city of Arvada, we have three main sanitary sewer trunk lines, and this project involves the Ralston trunk or central trunk.
The upstream end of the line is at 71st Avenue and Sim Street. The downstream is at Brooks Drive and Independence. It includes about 11,400 feet of older 21-inch clay pipe, and it carries a huge load.
The Ralston trunk carries on average about 57% of all of the sanitary sewer that's generated in the city of Arvada.
But in 2015, closed-circuit television inspection showed some problems.
That section of 21-inch clay pipe was showing some areas of decay and deterioration. We also had capacity concerns with that because it's actually a bottleneck. There's a 27-inch pipe that flows then into the 21 and then back into a 30.
So the city contracted to have the 21-inch pipe replaced with 30-inch pipe.
So we want to be proactive and make sure that we're addressing these issues and not reactive. It's a massive project. It's critically important for the investment, for the long-term investment of the infrastructure for the city of Arvada.
Working from February till the end of the year, crews managed to replace most of the line, from the downstream point all the way to the east end of Davis Lane Park. That puts Arvada's overall sewer infrastructure in much better shape, since the majority of the capacity and structural problems were downstream from Davis Lane Park. The remainder will be completed later as funding is prioritized, as the city updates its master plan for the coming years.
The infrastructure that's underground in the city of Arvada is actually some of the greatest resources that the city of Arvada has. And for a lot of people, out of sight is out of mind, but it's critically important that the city continue to not only maintain but to improve our underground infrastructure.